Well, hello, Junkaholics. Just got back from a friend of mine's house, and he gave me a bunch of washing machines. Washing machines, dryers, and some other stuff. He also gave me these car fans, rotors, house fans, box of wire, a microwave, a computer, old hitch, old chair, and that bug zapper. And he says the bug zapper works, so that'll come in handy. So I'm gonna unload this, and we'll get at stripping this crap. Well, Junkaholics, we got her all ripped apart, took out all the good stuff, and we're off to the scrapyard. So let's see what this bad boy weighs and what it pays. And here we are at National Salvage. Just going on to the scale. And we're at 6,080 pounds. And we're going to weigh out now. $55.80, so that's 600 pounds. And we'll be back with what it weighed, what it paid. Well, we're back with what it weighed, what it paid. So it looks like my metal went down a little bit from Monday. It was at 180 a ton. Now I'm down to 165 a ton. So that's not the greatest. We had 500 pounds. I thought we had 6, but I guess we had 5. And that is $40.94, $2.06 GST. And that's a total price of $43. And that is some nice junk. Welcome to Joke of the Day. What's the difference between a pickpocket and a peeping Tom? Well, one snatches your watch, the other one watches your snatch.